welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be teaching this look. This look is more towards a glam look. You can carry this for lunch date, simple parties and all. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoy this tutorial. So starting with moisturizer, I am using Dot & Key Vitamin C moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Here I am using water based moisturizer as my skin is oily. In next step, I am using primer. This is from the brand Pack Studio Finish primer with the oil free form. I am applying all over my face and I am going to massage it gently just to build a wall between my skin and the makeup. Next, I am going to make my eyebrow usual way. I am doing very natural. As you can see, I am just filling the gaps. Next, for the foundation, I am using Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the shade 101 Classic Ivory. I am going to cover all over my skin as well as my neck area with wet beauty sponge, and this foundation is medium coverage, so if you feel you need one more layer, you can build it. Next, for concealer, I am using ELF satin finish on my acne mark as well as my smile line, and for highlighting part I am using Maybelline concealer on my bridge of my nose, cupid bow on my forehead, and I am going to blend on my same beauty blender. Before starting my eye makeup, I am going to set all my face with the compact powder. Make sure to bake your under eye too. So for eye makeup, I am using color board palette as my dress color is in lavender. I am using this section of palette. You can go with any nude shade too. Here I am keeping it very simple as I am taking lavender color as my transition shade. And taking this shimmer shade and applying all over my eyelid and just smoothen out two colors nicely to avoid harsh lines, and that's it. I am done with my eye makeup. And finishing with eyeliner and mascara as well as kajal with Maybelline products. Here I am doing wing liner as I am not going to wear any fake lashes, so I am coating my mascara with 2 to 3 layer, and you can see I am using same brush which I used for eye makeup and blending my lower eyelid for some smoky effect. Next, for contouring and blush, I am going to use this Ulta Beauty palette. I am keeping it very light and natural. Even for contouring, I am taking very less product and applying this on my forehead and jawline as on my nose. And you know, glam look not at all complete with highlighter. Before applying highlighter, I am fixing makeup with makeup fixer from Faces Canada. Then applying highlighter from Ulta Beauty palette, applying it on the area where the light hits on my face. I'm going to apply below eyebrow too. And for lip color, I am using Ulta Beauty lipstick in the shade Mischiefs. Before that, I am lining my lips. So this is my final look. I just loved it. It was perfectly going with my dress. You can definitely try this look. Not too loud, not too simple. You can switch your eye shades according to your dress code. Let me know in comment section how did you feel this look. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.